Right, here we are in the river processing command center of river processing. It's the most major part that we've developed, and it came out of the requirement from NRW to have a very specific subdirectory file naming format. I won't go into that too much, except it's a nightmare to do it manually, and especially if you're using multiple rivers. But here we are. Let's just go into it. And I've got another file open which I don't want to touch at the moment. I don't want to touch any of these screens because it'll fall over. But except we've got the top left, river Tiverton watercourses, river names, short river names, the address. Try and use the pull down here. I won't touch it at the moment. The option address is there. And I'm not going to touch this, but you can use the carriage return to position the text vertically central to the box. All this data can be put in here because it's used in the DXF XREFs. It's all created, and we can use the river name here and read the text. It says if river name text is left here, the actual names will be added to the drawing titles. If other text is added before or after, that will also be added both to the drawing titles and the file names. And so here we are. I'm going to pull in this other drawing. If we go edit, I'm not going to do it, but if you look in here, this is the file that you're opening up. And this is designed on the basis of the key plan data, the cross sections area, the log sections area, and the structure widths area, all with these variables, client addresses, all that stuff there. It's duplicated. But you can see we've got David James RF and all so the text there is for the title block. The address is there and the names of the survey title, it's all there. Here though is the point at which you see the only way you really want to go manually changing this text, because it applies to how many drawings you're going to create if you want them stacked at the page. Now, if you've got a big section of a big amount of cross sections, you might want 20 drawings. Well, what you do here is you go to here and you simply put in there T120. Once that is done there, I don't want to change it or modify it myself now, but that will give you 20 drawings up the page, all with the cross sections correctly modified there, and that would give you all control. You don't have to go copying and renumbering this and that and the other. So this covers then this brown area. That's automatic. The address is selected, but the river survey title stuff is all put in here. And if you then click, and I'm hoping this is going to work, I'm just going to simply shut that down. I don't save it. I want to preview the title block. Okay, this is something that I'm understanding it cannot be done in AutoCAD, but it's always been in MicroStation that any XREFs were always visible. And here it is. Here's the box in the behind this title block here, which the system has created, taken the text in the boxes, slotted it, moved it around, and in the raw part of this there are 7 variables, so you could change your title block quite easily. It doesn't have to stay fixed on the Infomap one, but that just shows you everything where it is. It's all in a good position. Let's leave it there, and let's stop this video here because we'll move on to the other part in a minute. That just covers the top 3 areas, and a lot's going on in the background.